There's one thing you need to do to increase your views. I'm Eddie and I want you to be a YouTube success. As a new YouTube content creator, I always wondered what it was that made certain videos popular enough to show up on my home screen. Now I know the secret and here it is. All you've got to do is get them to watch it to the end of the video. Now the real question is, how do you do that? As complicated as that question is, it's real simple if you know some basic truths. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to learn more, but right now let's get down to those basic truths. The first thing you need to know is you've got to get them to watch first, and that's where the title and thumbnail come into play. You got to have a clickable thumbnail that leads them to a clickable title that leads them to watch the video. The second thing you need to understand is you got to get them past that first 8 seconds. That's about the amount of time somebody has before they get bored and click off. So how do you do that? You've got to have an effective hook, a reason for them to continue to watch, but it keeps going. Next, you've got to build up suspense, which leads to a big reveal. Continue to develop this over time so that it gets more and more exciting. The more they watch, the more they're curious about it. Then they keep watching it until finally you tell them what the big secret is. Once they've seen that secret, you've got to give them a reason to watch the next video, which is what the end screen is all about. You've got to give them something to click on for your next video. That's where your subscribe button is going to be, and that is where your next video is going to be, which includes another clickable title and a clickable thumbnail. For example, click this next video right here so that I can help you be a better YouTuber by telling you how to maximize your resources by making better use of your cell phone to get a better camera angle. Hope this helps. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can help you continue to be a YouTube success.